this concrete jungle, there's no shortage of brick walls. New York City, those walls are your canvas. Meet Jason Naylor. Today, I get artistic and learn to paint a mural. We're gonna do a lot of this.
We're gonna do a lot of this?
Draw! It's my first ever spray painted letter. It's color time. Jason Naylor.
Yes.
We're in your studio space.
Yes,
It's
welcome.
very colorful.
Thank you.
It's amazing.
Thanks.
How would you describe the work that you do?
Anything colorful and like positive, upbeat. I like to put typographic messages in my work. I have a mantra that I like to live by. It's creatively positive times positively creative.
I can feel there's a very happy energy.
Thank you.
I'm digging it.
Right on.
Yeah, and that's not just because we share the same name.
But that's like half of it.
Yeah, it's probably
It's like good
it's
common
half.
ground to start from, and then from there it's just.
I think so. So what exactly are we gonna do today?
Today we're gonna paint a mural, and it's gonna have a statement, something about love.
There's love here
There's
already.
love here, right?
We're just
So,
starting this.
Like that could be a mural. It could be there's love here, or like all you need is love.
What if we just said, all you need is, and then we leave it blank?
Provoking the audience to say what they need.
You can put whatever you want in
Yeah,
there.
like all you need is breakfast.
That's what I'm saying. You into that?
I'm down. Yeah, I think that's really cool.
Okay. How messy on a scale of 1 to 10 is this gonna be?
You need to change your shirt.
What are the first steps? What are we doing?
We're gonna sketch out our idea.
All you need is, right now in this moment, art training.
So we've got our words. Maybe we'll add a little flinkety flink.
Hashtag flinkety flink.
Yeah, that's what they call it.
A flinkety flink?
Yeah, if you look at that hashtag, you'll find a lot of good
Really?
stuff.
A lot of
Don't.
a lot of flinkety flinks? I like that.
You can start to figure out which color goes where. It's
Yeah.
basically like a coloring book now. We'll just pick out our paints and take them outside and get started.
All right.
Cool. So, we've got our outline, and now we gotta color it in. We're gonna paint outside of the letters with black first. We're gonna use a cap that enables a lot of paint to come out.
Which cap is which? How can you tell when you look at the cap?
The skinny caps, see how they narrow and taper?
Yep.
And the wide caps are round.
Who knew? I will never look at a paint can the same way.
This is a skinny cap, remember?
Yeah.
It gives us a skinny line. The closer that we get to the wall, the skinnier the line. Now you try with that wide cap.
The wide cap. Oh, yeah. Do this all day. J. Did I make a J for Jason or a J for Jason?
I think it's a J for Jason.
Probably a J for Jason.
One of us is right.
Do you ever treat these like an old Western?
Like a
Like
mark?
this?
It's like a quick draw.
Yeah. Ready? Draw! Victory!
So to start, we're gonna color in all the black that we've gotta color in.
Whoa. That doesn't look very smooth at all. Oh, it's my first ever spray painted letter. It looks a little not as smooth as yours. Maybe I picked a hard letter.
It has pizzazz.
Yeah, pizzazz. It's color time.
You
So-
start with the flinkety flink
Yeah,
and the pizzazz.
exactly.
Because that's your area of expertise, right?
Oh yeah, exactly. Green to about here. Lime green. How's it going up there?
Good.
Oh yeah, you're cruising.
Moving and shaking.
That's right. I'm not as fast.
Look what we've done in the sketch. We've got these rigid lines.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to give it like a little swoopy swoop.
Even in my furniture, I'm all the time like trying to swoop it.
There you go.
Gives it that. Because you want your flinkety flink to have flow, especially when you're trying to make it have pizzazz. These are very pro tips.
I mean,
Am I supposed to have tiger stripes?
Yeah.
No, I got it.
You've covered way more area than I've covered, I think.
That's okay. I appreciate you taking the creative liberty
Thank you.
to improvise. No, I mean it. That's
Thanks.
great.
Good. I try.
You want to talk about blending a little bit?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Teach me.
You're gonna bring it to the edge, then you're gonna pull it away. It's gonna get on the black, that's fine, because we're gonna paint black again.
Okay.
Now you're gonna do the same thing with the other color. As you get close, it'll make the blend. There you have it.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah, I
Cool.
think so.
Check out that
Purple.
can control. Did you guys see that?
Yeah, can control. Only takes the whole wall before you can get there.
I gotta say, that was pretty impressive.
Thanks, buddy.
That was not an easy feat right there.
Thank you. Yeah. Gradient looks awesome once it's cleaned up. Maybe I just went a little overboard there. That seems like me.
You were filled with the power of pizzazz.
Thank you so much. You have helped me fulfill a lifelong dream of getting to paint on a wall and lean up against some work that I've done. It was mostly you.
No way.
I put
No
some
way.
color choices in
No,
there. Yes
you were
way.
awesome.
No, yes way. Without you, this would look. It would be mostly just this, X's and O's. This has been so much fun.
It has, man. Thank you.
Yeah,
Come
thank
on.
you.
Bring
Yeah,
it in.
let's bring it in. This
Well
is great.
done, man. Well
you guys
done.
have to get your own Jason Naylor to come paint. Whoops. Sorry.
You ruined my new pants.